In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise in Audacity. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps out the channel. To get started, you'll need to have your audio file ready. One of the first things we want to do is identify a sample of the background noise we're aiming to remove. This means you'll need to find a part of your recording where there isn't any talking or other significant sounds, just the background noise itself. This is crucial because we need to tell Audacity exactly what to filter out. Once you have located this section, go ahead and highlight it. Then navigate to the top menu and click on Effect. In the drop-down, select Noise Removal and Repair, and then click on Noise Reduction. A new window will appear, and you'll see the option to Get Noise Profile. Clicking this tells Audacity the specific type of noise we want it to target for removal. Now that you've captured that noise profile, simply click anywhere outside the window to close it. Next, you need to select your entire audio track. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard, or simply double-click on the track itself. With everything selected, head back up to Effect, then Noise Removal and Repair, and click Noise Reduction once more. This time, you're going to focus on adjusting the settings under Step 2. The first setting, Noise Reduction in dB, controls how much noise Audacity will remove from your recording. Though it's tempting to set this high, be cautious. Going too heavy can make your voice sound distorted, and we certainly don't want that. The second setting, Sensitivity, determines the extent to which the audio is treated as noise. Keep this balanced as well. If it's set too high, parts of your voice might be affected. The third setting, Frequency Smoothing Bands, helps to smooth out your audio after noise reduction. Typically, keeping this on the lower side works best. Before you finalize any changes, click Preview to listen to how these adjustments will affect your audio. If everything sounds good and you're satisfied with the results, go ahead and click OK. Audacity will then apply noise reduction to your entire track. For longer audio files, this might take a tiny bit of processing time, so be patient. Once the processing is complete, play back your track to check the results. If you're not quite satisfied with what you hear, don't worry. You can always go to Edit and click Undo, then head back into Noise Reduction to adjust the settings again until everything sounds just right. And there you have it. That's how you can effectively remove background noise in Audacity. Keep in mind that each recording is unique, so don't hesitate to experiment with the settings until you achieve the best sound quality possible. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post more tutorials like this one.